Hello friends, let's solve question number 5. If 3 tan A equals to 4, then find sin A and cos A. See here given, what did they give here? 3 tan A equals to 4. Therefore, tan A equals to 4 by 3. I am sending 3 to the right hand side, it becomes divide. So, it becomes tan A value, got it as 4 by 3. So when you see here in the figure, they have taken here angle as reference is A. So here you have to take angle as reference as A. I am taking the vertex B and C. At B there exists a right angle. So here I am taking it like that. So they have given tan A value as 4 by 3. We need to find out sin A and cos A. The same way how we did previous problem, we have to do it in the same way. Therefore, what is tan A? Tan A is what? The formula is opposite side by adjacent side. Correct? It is opposite side by adjacent side. Write it in your exam as opposite side of angle A by adjacent side of angle A. But here for explaining I have written it directly that they have given it as 4 by 3. So opposite side means this, adjacent side means this. So here the next step what will I do? Therefore opposite side equals to opposite side of angle A, write in brackets. What is opposite side of angle A? It's BC, right? In brackets BC equals to 4K. I am putting it as 4K. Okay. And adjacent side of angle A, in brackets what will you write? AB. AB equals to, I am writing it as 3K, where K is a positive integer and a constant. Where is K is a positive integer, write in brackets, it is a constant. Okay. So you got opposite side BC value as 4K and adjacent side AB value as 3K. So in the question they asked us to find here sin A and cos A. So for both of them you need to find out hypotenuse, because sin A value is opposite side by hypotenuse. In the same way cos A value is also adjacent side by hypotenuse, but you don't know hypotenuse. So that's why I am assuming it as x. So write the same thing here. Let AC equals to x by Pythagoras theorem. Since the triangle is a right angle triangle, by Pythagoras theorem we can find out the other side. By Pythagoras theorem, what can we write? AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. What is AC here? We have assumed it as x, right? X square equals to, what is AB? 3K whole square plus BC, it is 4K whole square. It is 9K square plus 16K square, that is equals to 25K square. So x square. So that implies x equals to square root of 25K square. Therefore x equals to 5K, because square root of 25 it is 5 and K square root and square will be cancelled off. You will get x value as 5K. Since x is a side, so side is a positive term, you have to take the positive value. So x value you got it as 5K. So once you got, what is x here? Write the same thing we have assumed. What did we assume here? AC value as x. Therefore AC equals to x equals to 5K. You got AC value. Now in the next step what you need to find out here? Sin A and cos A. Therefore sin A equals to opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. What is opposite side of angle A? Here it's BC by AC. Correct? Write the same thing here, that is equals to BC by AC, that is equals to, what is BC here? In the figure you can see it's 4K. X we got it as 5K. Correct? That is equals to 4K by x, right? X we got it as 5K. So 4K by 5K, K and K will be cancelled off. Therefore sin A value got it as 4 by 5. Therefore sin A equals to 4 by 5. So in the same way you need to find what? Cos A also. So therefore cos A equals to, what is the cos A formula? It is adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. When you see in the figure, what is adjacent side? Let's see here. Adjacent side is AB and hypotenuse is AC, which is 3K by 5K. That is equals to AB by AC, that is equals to how much? It is 3K by 5K, because AC value we found it as 5K. So K and K will be cancelled off. You got cos A value as, therefore cos A equals to 3 by 5. So you have to find out sin A value and cos A values, right? So sin A is 4 by 5 and cos A is 3 by 5. So this is the solution. It's very easy. Okay. So I hope you understand the problem. In case you like this video, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.